Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Mario Brothers. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for this game. What you're going to need is some tape, and you're going to make a box. I actually made it one line here, and then I did kind of 6 steps to the other side. Here's the other line here. And then you're also going to have another 6-foot line, which is going to be over here. Okay? So now, what will happen is a student is going to start on this side, kind of like the game of Mario Brothers. You have a start and an end point. The student is going to have 1 minute to run back and forth from the line. So if I'm here, run across, that's going to be 1 point. I run back, 2 points. And they're going to do as many laps as they can in 1 minute. But while they're doing that, they're actually going to have a Bowser throwing out fire, or in this case, they're going to be rolling a ball and trying to hit the person running back and forth. The student running is only going to be given 3 lives. Get hit by the ball when it rolls, and if they lose all of their 3 lives, then their turn is over, even if the 1 minute is not completed. 2, 1, go. Oh, that's 1. Lost a life. Yes, keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Oh, missed him. Remember, it has to be the feet. Only the feet. Yes. Keep going. Look out. That's 2. He has 1 life left. So Jordan lost his 3 lives in that first round. So therefore, what was your count, Jordan? Jordan got 15 laps in, so I'm up next. 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, got my foot. Some more. 5, 6. Nope. I see my feet. 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, the 1 life left, 18. Oh, my turn is over. I lost my 3 lives. 18 was my score. Alright, so we're moving on to level 2. Now, level 2, we just made things a little bit more challenging. Now, the thrower, you guys are going to have to roll with your non-dominant hand. Our runners are no longer just going to have a free space, but they're going to have to land on top of the towels that they have on the floor. If the runner lands in the middle or in between of the towels, they lose a life. So they got to make sure that when they're running, they stay on the towels. every single time. Okay? Again, rollers are using their non-dominant hand. Runners must stay on the target area. All right, here we go. 1 minute on the clock, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, that's 1. Oh, that's 1 life off. Remember, guys, to stay on the towel. Oh, nice jump. Oh, that's 2 lives. Nope, doesn't count. Can't go off the wall. Oh, still good. Keep going. Oh, yeah, 13 seconds left, so we almost finished the whole round. How many, Jordan? It looked about 17. All right, so stay tuned for my turn. 2, 1, go. I see my feet. Just 1. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's 1 life down. 7, 8. Oh, I went in the fire. Okay, 9. Oh, and my turn is over. All right, now, so for level 3, we are moving on only to 1 towel. Now, students are gonna have to stay on the line. They're gonna have to jump to the middle, jump over, back, and forth as best as they can. Now, our rollers are no longer going to roll, but they're actually going to use the inside of their foot. So step opposite foot, swing their foot, and they're going to kick it and try to hit our runner in the foot, okay? Again, 3 lives are awarded, 1 minute, whatever comes first, okay? Level 3, starting 3, 2, 1, go. All right. 2, 3. Oh, missed them. Still good. Come on, fix it. Oh, too high. Remember, it has to hit their foot. Still good. Jordan might finish the 1 minute. And time is up. So Jordan finished the 1 minute challenge, which is awesome. And he got a score of 30 laps. 2, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you got me. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, hit the fire. And time is up. 23 was my score. Well, we really hope you enjoyed this game of Mario Brothers. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And please, again, comment below. Let us know what your thoughts about the game were, how you can implement this in your lessons, as well as how your kids would respond to it. We'd love to see it. Also, again, use our hashtag, the P Spot. And as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.